Hi Year 1, we are going to look at your science today. So your science is going to be an experiment and it's called TED's Emergency. So your learning is to learn which is the best material for a special task. So by the end you will know about properties of different materials, and we have been looking at that for the past couple of weeks as well. You'll be able to carry out something called a fair test, and you'll be able to draw a conclusion from the test as well. So here we've got a picture of Ted, and he's feeling very sorry for himself because he is stuck in the rain. So he's got wet whilst playing outside, and we're going to think about something that we could do to stop it happening again. So we're going to make him an umbrella or a coat. But what we need to do is think of the right material for the umbrella or the coat. So you need to get some equipment for your test. Now, Mrs. Clark has put some of the materials in there in the little plastic bag that I was telling you about in your last lot of packs, so it should be there. So you'll need a small little bear to act as your TED, a pot, an elastic band. Don't worry about the pipette. A pot with water in, different materials to test which is in your bag, and you need a little piece of paper and a pencil. So here is this thing called a fair test. So how are you going to make this test fair? So what you need to do is you need to do exactly the same thing every time you do the test of the material. So you need to think about how much water you're going to use each time. So you need to put the same amount of water in. Otherwise, if you put loads and loads in, it's not going to be fair if you put in the next one something really, really little. So it needs to be exactly the same. You need to see how far away from the material you drop your water and how long the water touches the material before you observe the result. So what you're going to do is you're going to put your bear in the empty plastic pot. You're going to choose a material to test, which is in the bag that Mrs. Clark gave you. You're going to put it on top and secure it with an elastic band or a bobble or something that you can tie. You can tie it with a bit of string. And then don't worry if you've not got a pipette, you could do a spoon. Okay, and you're going to drop the water on the material and you're going to watch it very closely. And you're going to see how long if it takes for the water to go into the pot, okay? Because that means it's going to get wet, isn't it? So you're going to write down the results and then you're going to do it all again, but choose a different material to put on the top. And then you have got some sheets in your pack. So you're going to write out what you're going to do. You're going to make a prediction of which material you think would be the best one to make Ted's umbrella out of. And then you're going to do your test. You're going to then write down exactly what you did, and then you're going to, on the other piece of paper, you're going to write down your results. So you put the material that you used and how well it worked, and then you're going to say at the end which one was the best. So because this is a really, really nice experiment for you, investigation for you to do, we would like to see videos and pictures of you doing your little experiment for Ted's Emergency, and we would really, really like to know which material is best for Ted's umbrella. So make sure you pop those on Seesaw for us. Thank you, Year 1. Bye.